If you want to make some money online with CPA marketing or CPAGrip self-clicking strategy like I am doing right here, you just need to go on to watching this video right here to the end, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can just do just that and start earning some cool cash with CPAGrip self-clicking strategy. And guys, if you're new to my channel right now, you need to just simply scroll through my channel. I can create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you boost your income online. You could also make sure you're subscribed to the channel right here and your notification bell is turned on all so that you could get alerted whenever I release some videos that could help boost your income online. And guys, without much introduction and delay of time, let's dive right into the strategy of today's video. So basically what you want to start doing first of all is to get an account created on a CPA marketing platform like CPAGrip. That is, if you don't actually have an account, you can come right here, click on register. It's going to bring you to this page right here, and you want to just simply fill out your basic details such as your first name, your last name. You can skip the company and website and all other fields not having this red asterisk sign, as the red asterisk signs indicate that that is actually a required field you must fill out before you can get an account created on this platform right here. Once you do fill out all those fields with the red asterisk sign, check out these boxes right now like I am doing to agree to the terms of service and do click on register now to get your account created. You may be required to go on to verifying your email address. You can do just that, create your account and go on to logging into your account via this icon right now. So once you do log into your account, guys, you should be brought to this page right here where you just want to go on to this particular section right now. Click on offer tools. You want to click on my offers and you're going to be brought to this page right now. You want to just simply go on to filtering your offers to get offers from a particular targeted demographic. Maybe you want to target offers in the United States. All you need to do is to just simply select the United States and you're going to be seeing, or you're going to be shown offers only available to that demographic right now. You can see there are a lot of offers right here. Some offers are actually for the mobile install offers. Some are actually for the email and zip submit offers. All you need to do right now is to select that particular offer right here. You may just see that more details about the offer, that you need to be using an Android device to submit your or to install this mobile application right now and using this particular affiliate link, and you're going to get paid this amount right here, which is $2.83. And right here, guys, you want to just simply copy the link right here to this and go on to creating a landing page. It is quite important you go on to creating a landing page right now from platforms, using platforms like the Google site. It can actually be a simple landing page. You could create one with the CPA.io or any landing page builder site of your choice. The reason for creating a landing page is so as to ensure that CPAGrip does not detect that you are actually clicking your offers directly right there. So you want to create a landing page right now. If you're finding it difficult, go onto my channel, click on this particular search icon in this section right here and just simply go on to typing in landing page. If you do type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see some cool videos that could help you out in creating simple landing pages right now with different websites like the CPA.io, Google site, and maybe breezy.cloud right there, Webflow, and other simple platforms right now. So check out those videos. They could help boost your income right now or help you create simple landing pages. Once you do that right now, you want to just simply copy the link to the landing page and go on to paste in on any social media platform of your choice. You can use Facebook or any social media platform right there. The reason for that is also to make sure that CPAGrip is actually saying that your offers are, your leads are actually coming from a social media platform or a website. And if you do that right there, you want to just simply click on that particular link right now. Supposing you want to just simply self-click that offer yourself, you want to make sure, guys, that your particular demographic or your particular IP address is coming from the demographic which you're promoting offers to. And you can see right here, this offer is actually for the United States. So your IP address should be reading that particular demographic, which is the United States. If I do actually check on this platform called thehoa.net, you can see right here that my IP address is actually reading Lagos, Nigeria. You could go on to changing that by utilizing a very cool VPN right now. If I actually do go on to selecting a VPN right here, you can see right now this is a VPN. I'm just going to go on to activating this to connect to the United States. Once this has actually been connected to the United States, all I need to do is to go on to refreshing this page And if I do refresh this page, it's actually going to go on to reading my details right now of my IP address. You can see right here, it's actually indicating Los Angeles, United States. If I do go on to refreshing that, it's still going to be showing me the same IP address because my VPN has actually been connected to that particular demographic. You want to make sure you are using a very cool and valid VPN right now to self-click your offers. Then you could just simply head onto a new tab, and on that new tab just simply paste in that particular offer link. And if you do paste that in right there, it's going to load the page up, and you can just simply go into downloading that application on your device. And mind you, you actually have to be using an Android device as that particular offer specifies. So you can just simply use this strategy, go on to completing the self-clicking offers right here and make some cool cash. Now you can see this offer right here that's actually a desktop offer that requires you to submit your email address or zip code. What you want to do right now is to use valid email addresses, and you could get valid email addresses from this platform right here called the temp-mail.org. With this platform right now, you can see that these are actually valid email addresses right here, but they are temporary email address you can go on to utilizing right now, and you can actually receive messages from this particular platform right here in case you are actually needed to go on to verifying your email address right now. You're going to be receiving email addresses from this section right here. You can access those emails right there and utilize that right now. So just simply copy that and go on to utilizing that. If you're actually in need of a valid phone number for some kind of offers, you can utilize this platform called the receive-smss.com to get valid phone numbers right now. And you can see right here that these are actually valid phone numbers available to some demographics right now. You could just simply select a phone number you want to utilize right there. It's going to take you to the page where you can actually see more details right here. As you can see, you could get messages right here from this particular phone number right now. A lot of people are actually using this right here. That's why you are actually advised to not go on to giving or not go on to using important information right now on this particular website. As you can see, beware that everyone can see your messages for this number. Do not verify important information. So you want to just simply utilize this right here for your self-clicking offers. If you are actually in need of zip code or zip code right now for specific locations, you can utilize this platform by coming onto Google, typing the bestrandoms.com worldwide, and you're going to select the first option, which is going to bring you right here to this page. Select the location, which is the country which you want to just simply utilize right now. I'm just going to go on to selecting the United States. If I select that, I'm going to select the quantity right here, and if I do click on generate, it's actually going to generate some cool addresses right now, random addresses in the United States, and these are actually valid addresses having cool zip code. So you could just simply copy that zip code and go on to utilizing that right now. You may even go on to focusing on a specific state right there in the United States to go on to getting some cool zip codes that you can actually utilize right now for your offers. So why not just simply take out your time, try this out, and go on to making some cool cash online with this strategy. And if the video has added any form of value to you, don't forget to smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is on all, so always get alerted whenever I release some videos that could help boost your income online. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.